Welcome to the in front of me Motorola Moto G22, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere application on this device. So first you go into the Play Store application, and after that here in the search pool enter the Ampere. And now we should get this application, so tap to install, and after that wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that just click here to open the app and tap down here to yes, I agree, be close, and on the left down corner tap to OK. And now you can see here the section was information about our device battery temperature. In my case that's 33.7 degrees. Also here we have another information about our device battery, like the level, health, capacity, voltage, and more other info like the device model or Android version and other information. So as can you see, that's how it looks. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.